toe from our leg workout. We did legs, we did some dancing. If you guys are not a part of the TRC Fit Club, you are slipping. It's the place to be to get the body you love. But guess what, Facebook fam? Guess what, YouTube fam? I'm here with you to split the difference. Hey, what? It's Flex Friday. It's time to stretch our body. It's Flex Friday. Hey, it's time to stretch our body. It's Flex Friday. Hey, it's time to stretch our body. We're gonna do the splits today. So I'm gonna grab a mat. We're gonna get on the floor. Now I'm already warm, so this workout is meant to be done after you have already warmed up. So, just swing it back. Why are we doing this? Loosen up the hips. Loosen up the thighs. Shake it down, shake it down. Here we go, side to side. Hey, move your butt. Side to side. Work, work, work. And hands on the floor. Drop, drop, drop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. And drop it. Hold. If you are having a difficult time touching the ground, you can use a chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Stay there, hang down. Head down. Let your spine line up. I'm going to adjust the camera. Stay right there. We're going to be on the floor a lot. I want you guys to be able to see. All right. Stay with me. Stay with me. There we go. You guys can see the floor is wet from my workout this morning. Oh my God. It was just so fire. Hold it down. So bring it up. You have this chair. You're going to step forward with one leg, back with the other. Stretch back, look up. So you have your arms on the chair. You can look up. So now your back heel is off the floor. Sink in. See if you can come all the way down. Keep the back foot curled under. Hold. Hold. The thing about stretching, you got to hold it. Stay with me. Stay with me. Now you're going to take that back knee, lift it up so it's straight. Good. Stretching out the inner thighs, hamstrings, arms are straight, lift up. Now you're going to tap it up and switch. Other leg back. So both toes are facing forward. And then lean in and lift your chest up. Arms are straight. Hold. So push your shoulders down, chest up. Drop that knee down. Keep the toe curled on the ball of the foot. Look up. Now lift up that back knee, straighten. And press back. Tap, tap, tap. Forward. Step back. Turn both toes. And then drop your hand down. One hand down and pull. And both hands on the floor. Walk it around so you're low. And then I want you to shift your weight forward. Bring your foot up on the chair and hold. Look forward. Stay there. So that back leg is straight. Straighten out as much as you can. And now you're going to walk your hands forward. Lift the leg up. Bring it up as much as you can. Straighten the legs. Keep pushing. And bring it back down. Walk your hands center. Take the leg off. Roll it up. Hey. All right, now we're going to open up the hips. Step forward. Walk it back. Feet are wide. Look up. Drop your hips down. Arch the back. Now let your hips go side to side. And drop, push up. Walk in for the spine. Roll up, down. Lean back, roll up, down. A little faster. Up. 1, 2, 3. One more. 4. And bring it up. Swing side to side. Swing it side to side. Bend the knees, tummy tight. Center, roll it up. All right, we're going to do the other side. Turn, place your leg on the step. Slide down. Hold it. And then turn your body. Hold, look up, back leg is straight. Hands on the floor. Lift up, pick up the leg. Keep pushing. And down, slide it back to the chair, hold. Walk it center. Take the leg down. Bend the knees, roll it up. Okay, you ready for the floor? We got this. We're going to get into the splits. And first of all, everything is possible 100% of the time. So tell yourself, I got this, I got this. So you're going to come down to the floor. This is how you get down easy. You walk your hands out. Walk your feet in, drop your knee down, flatten the toe. And then you're going to take one leg forward, lean forward. So now you're opening up that position in between your thigh and your hip. Look up. Place one elbow up, other elbow up. Hold it right here. So from the knee to the hip, to the chest, to the shoulders, to the chin, hold it there. And press the arms back. That's why we did that back arching. Breathe. And then lean forward, hands down. Push your butt back. Shift your body weight. Straighten out that front leg. So now your toe is up. Just let it hang there. Gravity will do the work. Breathe. Now come forward. And take the back foot, curl it under, hold. Now roll forward and back. Hold it on the back, drop the knee down, so now your knees are wider apart. Flatten the toe, hold it. Might be uncomfortable, but nobody said it was going to be comfortable. All right, hold it. See if you can look up, shoulders back. And then pick up your body weight, lean back, flex that foot. So now you're stretching out the back of the thigh. Hold it, breathe. And then you're going to take it down. You're going to lift up that back knee by curling the toe under. Hold it there. Now lift up the front foot. Hold it there. So just stay there. Let gravity stretch you out. And then if you can ease that front foot forward, ease it forward. If not, you just stay there floating. Hold it. Chest up, dropping that hip down. Hold. Wherever you are, it's okay for you. You're not me, I'm not you. Bring it up. Now drop that back knee down. Let's see if you can pull that back, the front leg forward. Grab it, bend it. And then curl, lean forward, curl the back toe under, press it up. Turn and face the knee, walk it center, hold, head down. Relax the back of your neck. Hold it there. Grab your ankles and pull. Walk your hands in. Walk them to the other direction. Both toes face the same direction. Drop it down, and we're going to go forward and back. Drop the heel, go back, knee down, flatten the toe, hold it there. Split the hands around the leg, look up. Hold it, hold it, hold it, breathe. Bring one hand up, the other hand up. Hold it, look up. Remember, that's why we arch that back in the beginning. And down, hold it. Curl the back toe under, lift up the back knee, hold. Roll forward and back, push it back. Drop the knee down, lean back. Front toe comes up. Wherever you are, you're okay. If the knee is slightly bent, that's okay. Hold it. Make sure you're breathing, don't hold your breath. And now you're going to lean forward, bend that leg, curl the back foot under again, roll forward and back. Make sure that back heel is pushing back. Now you can kind of wiggle the back leg back, so your arms are still here, or wiggle the front heel forward. Good. Sometimes you might just be suspended in the air, and you might be able to come all the way down. You might surprise yourself. Hold it. Whew. Okay, coming back up. If you're right here, you're going to drop that knee down, slide this leg in, pick it up, put it on the floor, lean forward, curl the back foot under, press it up, turn to the center, and come on down. Bring it up. One hand in the center, one arm twist. Stretch out the back, reach up. Other side. And down. Walk your feet in. Step, 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 step. Bend the knees. Hands behind your back. Stretch it and hold. Arms down. Chin down, roll up very slowly. Woo! We did that. How we feeling? How we doing? All right, so that's gonna feel different for every person, but I do want to say this. You want to be warm and sweaty before you do that workout. You don't come into that workout cold, right? So you might kind of play around with it, but then after you do a workout, you sweat and go, oh yeah, let me try my splits training with Tiffany, okay? Then you're going over there and you press play. Now I'm gonna have this workout on YouTube because it only stays for 30 days here on Facebook. So if you're not following me on YouTube, go to TiffanyRotheWorkouts at youtube.com and hit that subscribe button. You guys, I want to get to 1 million subscribers like I am here on Facebook. Can you help me? Can my Facebook family help me over there on YouTube? I bet you if each of you told 2 people to do it today, I could make it today. That would be freaking so boss. So you guys, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button because that's where this workout will live forever. Love you guys. Bye.